Bill? Hey, I've got your truck just about full over here at Mary Ann's. Are they going to be around tomorrow with the 4th of July and everything? Well, the reason I ask is moisture's creeping up on the drain, and it would probably be better actually to wait until tomorrow. I mean, particularly if they weren't going to be there, there'd be really no sense in filling the truck. You know, it tests 13.6 on my little handheld tester, but the air is damp. It's the only thing I can figure. There's a few weeds. There's a few weeds poking through in places here on Mary Ann's. So that's kind of jumping the moisture up. So now I hate to cut a big truckload of wet wheat. I mean, what? Well, what it needs is some sunshine and some wind. It would make, you know, it would make all the difference in the world on this. Yeah, long enough to get stuff dumped. Well, I guess I'll keep cutting a little bit. I don't have to fill that other truck. If it gets any wetter, I better quit, because there's going to be a dock on this. If it gets much wetter, then there's going to be more. I think they start docking at 13 on wheat, but I'm not sure. Yeah, get a shower tonight, then it's really going to be nothing going on tomorrow, but I think the rain's kind of petered now. But it's just as still as could be, and the air's damp, so the wheat's picking up moisture. And it was none too dry to begin with. Okay, well, keep chopping away then. Your truck's ready to go whenever you get over here. Okay, there's no hurry. It takes me a while to get a bin full. So, okay, thanks.